Hey everybody, this is Bradley Benner with Semantic Mastery, and in this short video we're going to talk about video SEO strategy. There are multiple ways to rank YouTube videos in Google and in YouTube search. Um, there's so much conflicting information out there. There's a lot of stuff that should be pretty common knowledge, like first of all, optimizing the YouTube video itself, which means optimizing the title, optimizing the description, the tags, the geo description. If you have a geo tags, if you're going to be doing local stuff, you can add coordinates to it in the advanced settings when you're uploading the video or creating a live stream if you're using the YouTube live events. So that would be considered on-page optimization for video SEO strategy. The other would be off-page video SEO strategy, right? So that would include link building, social signals, and social engagement. Social engagement would include people watching the video, liking it, commenting on it, sharing it, that sort of thing. And in my testing, I have found that social engagement is probably the most important thing for ranking a video. It used to be backlinks, but it's not the case anymore. Backlinks are still a part of it, but I found that you can rank videos very, very highly if you can fake or get real social engagement or fake it. And I don't mean by buying spam views either, because that will get your videos terminated and possibly your channel terminated as well. But there are ways to get social engagement, okay? For example, you can join different YouTube watch groups. In other words, groups like on Facebook and stuff where people share their videos so that other people will click through and watch the videos, like them, comment on them. So those are real social. It's like crowdsourcing social engagement with the video. And that's number one. Number two, social signals. I found that to be very effective. So sharing, tweeting, retweeting, that sort of thing. When you tweet a video, it becomes an embed. So then if you can retweet that tweet, you can get that retweeted a bunch of times, hundreds or even thousands of times. Those are all considered embeds. It's very, very powerful. And Google now indexes tweets. So those can be very powerful for ranking videos as well. There's other social signals. And then there's backlinks. Traditional SEO would be backlinks. So you'd be building backlinks to the videos. So that's another part of the video SEO strategy. There's one other thing I do want to cover though, and that would be to optimize your YouTube channel as part of your video SEO strategy, okay? And one of the best ways and one of the most little known ways to optimize a channel to make it incredibly powerful for ranking videos is to use playlists to build silos within the channel. And so I've created a training course called Ifttt Seo Academy. And you can either click the link below the video in order to check out the course. It's under $10. Or you can go to youtube.silo.academy. Again, that's youtube.silo.academy. And you can check it out. Again, it's under $10. And I'm going to show you what the inside of that looks like right now. And I'm sorry, I got Skype blowing up on me in the background. But let me show you what that looks like in the background. Let me get to the right screen for a second first. All right, here we go. I'm going to take the screen. And this is the members area. It's a one-time cost under $10. But what we did was, and this is the wrong one. This is Ifttt Seo Academy. That's another course of mine. But let me show you Ifttt Seo Academy if I can find it. Let's go to the home page here. Okay, so Ifttt Seo Academy. This is essentially where I teach how to build silo structure within YouTube using playlists. It's very, very powerful. This is the welcome page. It's a one-time cost. It's under $10, but I did put the training in the membership area. In the content, you'll see there's two main sections. The first section covers how to do it, how to set up silos within using playlists within YouTube. These are YouTube live events that I recorded. So they were live. They were not edited in any way. So I wanted to do that to show you in real time how easy it is to set these up and how effective it can be. There's a PDF guide that goes with it. And there's also an additional training part of a webinar that I had done teaching other students on how to use playlists to embed into websites and actually embedding the playlists themselves. And it's very powerful for ranking the videos, plus also ranking the websites that you do the embedding with, on. Okay, so very, very powerful. The other section, if we go back, is called Silo Structures Explained. If you take a look at this, these are where I talk about, and in these videos, I showed the diagrams that I made or created to go with it to explain the different silo structures, the three main types of silo structures. And then there's additional link building to basically power up those silos themselves. And here is an example of what these diagrams are, YouTube silo diagrams. There's the basic playlist silo here. Here's the playlist silo for tough keywords. And here's a mono silo. And this is for basically ranking an entire keyword set over time. It takes some time to set this up and for this to work properly, but it's very, very powerful. Then I talk about the link building and how to build additional links to the silos to create even more power and more juice. And lastly, we talk about using Ifttt to create automatic or automated backlinking and social signals and embeds, which is very, very powerful. And this is another training course that we have put together. It's separate from this, but it's called Ifttt SEO Academy. You can find out more about that by visiting ifttseo.com. Again, that's ifttseo.com. But YouTube Silo Academy is very inexpensive. It's under $10. It's about 13 videos or so in total. It shows you how to build these playlist silos. It's very, very effective for ranking videos and minimizing your need for off-page SEO. Okay, that's still going to be needed, but you're going to get a lot more mileage. You're going to get better results with less off-page work, in other words. Okay, so once again, this is Bradley Benner with Semantic Mastery. Hopefully you'll see the power of this YouTube Silo Academy training and pick it up for under $10. You can't go wrong with that price, and we'll see you on the inside. Again, this is Bradley Benner with Semantic Mastery. Oh, and visit youtube.silo.academy. Thanks.